what's happening. Everybody keeps asking me, how do I have my camera mounted on my helmet? So this is my Enduro helmet. And because it had a pointed nose and something for the vent, I couldn't mount it directly on. It's like Darth Vader or something over there. But so I made this. This is a piece of just sheet metal that I bent, painted white, and then riveted right onto the helmet. And I just shaped it to the shape of the flat mount. So that's how I did my Enduro one. And for all my dirt vids, this helmet is on its last leg. But I just had two panhead screws that I countersunk, and I put washers and nut on the back with Loctite. Since I was currently making my new one, I already drilled the holes. So let's see, can't remember which ones were where, but I think they went like this. There you go. So I have already drilled and countersunk the holes. So basically, took the foam out and you just got the bolt sticking through. And you just go through a number of washers, first starting with the big one, and then because of course if you put the big one, it'll go right over the bolt. You Loctite that shit and you should be all good in the hood. So I'm going to put them on, bolt them up, and I'll show you it later. Hold on. Alright, so you've seen the holes. You've seen that, wherever the fuck it just went. Okay, I believe it goes this way. And then those washers weren't working out, so I had to make a backing plate. I think it goes that way. So I'm gonna put the screws through there, put this through here. If you know you're gonna put a mount on here, try to get the flattest face, or you could file it down. You could actually do the other way, or add the sheet metal over here. Because once you commit to this, you're pretty much gonna put holes either in this face mouthpiece or in the helmet directly. Now if you're gonna be doing races and shit and you're supposed to have DOT helmets, you're not supposed to be putting holes in here, so I would suggest going through here. Okay, so I don't know how talented I am. Oh, wherever this contacts here, I'm going to remove the adhesive backing just where it hits the mouthpiece, because you don't need all that other stuff away. It's only going to collect dirt and crap. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out, put it here, put the bolts through with the backing plate, bolt it up, put the foam back in, and it should look halfway decent. Focus, you fucking asshole. Okay, so I got the bolts on. You see in there? How do you turn this light on? What is this? Oh fuck. Yeah, there you go. Got the bolts going through the plates. I got them tightening down. I'm gonna break them off. Put some Loctite, let it seep in. I know that's not the way you're supposed to do it first, but it's such a tight fit. I'm gonna break them off, put in the foam, and I'll let you look at it. Okay? I've broken off the bolts. Applied a removable thread Loctite thread locker. And you put back the original foam piece that it came with. And it looks like you weren't even there, except for this. This will be now part of the collection. This one is soon to be retired. Little Darth Vader. It's a fucking good helmet. I've had it for a long time. It's 99 bucks. Got 99 problems and this helmet wasn't one. So it's real slick, you know. You can't even tell it's there when you don't have the camera on. Unlike this one. But then I got a helmet mount in the back. Standard sticky. So there you go. This will be my new moto vlogging helmet. For me and Mandy or whoever I take out that day. There you go. And that's how I use it. I do not use an external mic. I use an open back. So your camera is vulnerable to dust and water. Just so you know. Okay, and there you have it with the mount. The camera mount. Notice my camera mount is dirty. It's one I always take in the trails. So you gotta figure, yeah. Your head's gonna be tilted. Something like that. So the angle is almost there. It may need a little adjusting. I might be like this. I might be looking down. The only way to tell is when you're in the trail. So let's go on the trails. Hope you liked that video. Hope it helped you out. Aloha. Mahalo for watching.